All right, so I've got a dilemma here. We're gonna fix this. I'm working on a tool here, and I got a Allen key, a bolt, a screw, whatever word you want to use. Doesn't matter. The bro is totally stripped out. I can't get anything out of that. I've got these screw extractors. I'm gonna see if they actually work or not. I'm gonna be 100% real with you. I have no idea what I am doing here. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Oh! Look at that! I got her! Woo! Look, I did a thing! I got it out! This is a pretty cool screw extractor kit. I highly recommend.